What's up, traders, and welcome to my stream. In this video, I'm going to discuss two movers. I made, I think it was 59% profit on one ticker, and the other ticker was 34% profit. Anyway, so yesterday we had a ticker called SPRB that went from $10 to $360. So today we pretty much had some sympathy momentum, and I was trying to ride them as much as possible. And that's kind of like the story that happened here. Let's see if I can show you what my P&L ended up to be here. Let's see, we can pretty much take a look at it over my P&L over here. So overall, I made on GLTO, I think I made the most. Made a total of for educational purposes only, as always. GLTO was the ticker that I made most amount of bank on. You can see, so here I was buying it at 21 bucks, and then I sold it at like 33, and then I bought it again. I think I was buying at 21 and I sold it at 19. And the other ticker I traded was ZNB. I was buying it at 5, sold it at 6. So we're gonna discuss how these trades showed up over here. So far I'm 2 for 2 green days. Sorry about that. 2 for 2 green days. Gonna talk about them. So GLTO was the main mover of the day, and I honestly saw this GLTO here as soon as I stepped on my, I saw this ticker as soon as I stepped on my desk, which was 6:30, and I saw that $10 break. Thought about buying it at 11 or something, and I also saw it again as it was setting up at 13 over here before 7, and then pretty much just spiked all the way over here from like 9 to 13, and then 13, and then eventually I got in at 21, and then pretty much got stopped out, and then I bought it again over here. I don't know what the price was. You see, so here on the top left side, I bought GLTO at around $21, and then pretty much I rode it all the way up until over here. This is the area that I rode it to. The reason I rode it so long is because yesterday's ticker SPRB went from, I don't know, $7 to like $360. So now you have sympathy momentum in these two tickers. So bought it like 22, rode it all the way up to 30, 33.50. The reason I sold it is because right about here, we should have pushed, and we should have pushed over here in this 40 over here, because that was the daily resistance. The resistance was in the 40s. We didn't do that. So once I saw that, we accumulated it, and then we sold off. I sold at 34. Soon enough, that was the perfect place to sell it, because the ticker pretty much went straight down afterwards. We had a ugly 34 down to 22 candles, so I would have lost all my profit. Anyway, a couple of other trades I did in GLTO. I pretty much avoided it through all this period. The only time I took it short was right about here at around 28, 29, and I had a $5 profit over here on the short side. And then soon enough, it came back, and then I covered it. Then I shorted again at 25, and then I covered at 22, and now I don't know what it's doing. It looks like it's reversing sign kind of deal. So right now it's past 10:30, so it's very, very profitable ticker. 25 bucks. Just keep in mind that most of my positions that have been lately have been C size, so I haven't really sized up to any trades. C side has been working out pretty well for me. But in this situation, I could have risked a little more. Then you had ZNB. ZNB, I sold it. I saw it on the scanner come up over here, come back. We had this breakout of 3, hit 360. I eventually buy it over here somewhere, and then I get stopped out. And soon enough, I see this move here. It got up to 5. I buy it at 5, which I did, and I buy it with small size. Honestly, I only bought like 500 shares at 510, and then soon enough, I sold it a couple of minutes later at like 7. It hits 9, And then soon enough, actually this ticker was pretty much a gap up short, because we didn't really hit higher than 9, and we kind of just were on the under VWAP the whole day. The next ticker worth mentioning is CISS. CISS was actually pretty hard to trade, I would have to say. The only long, I took it right here at 377, and then I sold it at like 5 or 490. So I saw the VWAP reclaim in the morning, and soon enough, just incredibly choppy. I tried to buy the bounce at 440 of the VWAP. We went under VWAP and then popped up. It was just a very choppy ticker, but soon enough, I finished 3 tickers green. That's what matters. And live to trade another day. I'm not sure what GLTO is doing. Seems like it's coming back. And ZNB is kind of under VWAP. That was a gap up short. And CISS, just a very choppy ticker. Other than that, all these trades were pretty much live streamed and pretty much shared with the Discord room. That's you on my next video, and peace out.